Hello guys, welcome back to Tech 360. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem the application was unable to start correctly. So for that, at first just go to your Windows search bar and search for control panel. Click on it. Go to programs, this option. Now here you can see turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it. Now the first option here you can see net framework. Just turn this on. I am simply showing you a tutorial, so I'm not turning this on. I'm just showing you how it will work. And after that, click on OK. If your problem isn't solved yet, then just go to steps 2. Then just go back. Go to your Windows PC. Now just go to local disk. Go to Windows. Scroll down until you see the system 32. Go to system 32. Now just search for X input. Here you can see X input 3. Just simply click on it and delete it. I'm not deleting it because I'm showing you a tutorial. Again do the same. Go back. Scroll down and go to sys wow 64, this option. Now from here again search for X input 3, this one, delete it. Now after deleting these two things, just go to your Windows tab, open any tab. Now just search for DirectX download. Download DirectX, click on it. Scroll down. Here you can see download. Click on download. And after downloading it, your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can fix the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.